Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I want to show you how to keep your data safe on your iPhone using the new safety check feature on iOS 16. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So there's a very important new feature in iOS 16 called safety check, which is a useful feature for everyone to know because it is something you can all use to make your stuff private. So to access it, you need to go into settings. Next, you want to scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Now on this page, you want to scroll down again until you see safety checks. As it reads, it protects your personal safety by staying aware of which people, apps, and devices have access to your information. So go ahead and tap on that. So there are two ways this works. One is for emergency situation, which is a quick and a simple way to protect yourself and your device. And the other way is to manage sharing and access, which you can do in your own time. So let's look at the first option, which is your emergency reset. So tap on it. Now here on this screen, it'll basically explain everything to you. So this screen will review all your information and reset it to protect it. So it looks at the information you share with people and apps, looks at account security and emergency contact. As we continue through, you can press reset to stop sharing immediately, or you can press manage sharing and access to see who you're sharing your information with. Now in your second option where it says manage sharing and access, you can customize which people and apps can access your information and review your account security. As you can see, it has a guided process that explains everything very clearly and very thoroughly. So in this first step, it'll show you who you're sharing your data with. So data like Find My, Health, Calendar, Photos, Notes, or Home. In the next screen, it'll basically show what app is sharing your data, and you can basically select which app you no longer want accessing their information from. On this third step, it'll basically review the devices you're currently signed in with your Apple ID. So anything you don't recognize, remove it from your account. Now you can basically go through all these steps and update all your personal information like your password, your passcode, trusted phone number, emergency contacts, and many more. So when you're finished with this process, you'll have a better idea of what data is going in and out of your iPhone and who has access to it. This is a great thing, and I think you should do it every year just to make sure that things are set up as the way you want them. Now, I won't be going through the whole process as I don't want to reset the iPhone settings, but if you do need to do it, it is very clearly explained. Do be aware though, So the last thing to mention here is this top right corner, which you see a quick exit button. This is great if you want to close a safety screen right away so no one can see what you've been doing on your iPhone. So that is how to keep your data safe on your iPhone using the safety check feature on iOS 16. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.